Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can save a project in Planner 5D. In order to do so, here we are at planner5d.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions at any time and get the answers you're looking for from some of the top AI models available. According to Cider, to save a project in Planner 5D, follow these steps. First off, create or open a project. Start by creating a new project or opening an existing one within Planner 5D. You need to be logged into your Planner 5D account to save projects. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. On the web or desktop version, click on the Save button, usually found on the top menu bar or under the Project menu. If it's your first time saving the project, you may be prompted to enter a project name. On mobile apps, look for the Save icon or option in the menu. Planner 5D usually auto-saves your project periodically as long as you're logged in and connected to the internet. And if you want to save your project outside the app, use the Export option to download images, PDFs, or project files. Later, you can access Save Projects in your account under My Projects or similar. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Click on the referral link in the link tree, and you'll get $50 to open an account. Once your account is open, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a fantastic bank. It's a win-win situation. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.